Hello students, now we are talking about the how the pest resistant plant is produced. Means how to produce pest resistant plant. How to provide the cellular defense. Cellular defense in eukaryotes. One of the very important technique that is known as RNA interference. RNA interference. It is also known as RNAi. This is the post-transcriptional silencing based technology. Post-transcriptional gene silencing. This technique can be due to the formation of double stranded RNA. For the production of double stranded RNA, the parasite specific genes is used. So, how to produce the cellular defense in different plants? We are talking about that particular plant that is called tobacco plant, resistant in tobacco plant. One of the parasite that is known as Meladogonium incognita, which cause the root knot disease in tobacco plant. For the RNA interference, we use the genome or genes which is complementary to the parasite These genes each introduce or DNA, genes means that is DNA. DNA is introduced into the host plant, that is tobacco plant, and this DNA produce the RNA strand and RNA is the single stranded. And this single stranded RNA complementary to the RNA of parasite and this sense and antisense RNA make double stranded RNA, and this double stranded RNA is not transcribed so that the essential proteins is not produced, and due to the lack of nutrients, lack of protein, the nematode parasite is not survive into the host plant. So due to the double stranded RNA formation, the RNA interference takes place, because only single stranded RNA is translated into the form of protein. So double stranded is not translated, the protein synthesis is not possible. So the RNA create the interference, RNA create the problem in the protein synthesis, so that the required protein is not produced in the host cell, so that the parasite is not survive, because they are not providing the good condition for the parasite. So this type of interference is known as RNA interference. This technology provide the pest resistant to the plant. It is clear to everyone? Okay, thank you.